Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So, new hair, who dis? Clearly, if you read the title of this video, I am going to be showing you how to do your very own DIY faux locks. These are crochet faux locks, and I didn't do any cornrows, as you can kind of tell from my parting. Just single braids. So I will show you my entire process, how I got this look. This is my first time trying this out on my own, and I think I did okay. I still have yet to go to a professional and get my hair braided or locked or whatever. So I purchased these faux locks on Amazon, which I will link for you in the description box below if you're interested. The quality is so-so. They're whatever. For my first time, I don't mind. I just don't know how long they'll last. If you follow me on any of my social media like Instagram or Snapchat, I will keep you posted on the longevity of these locks and if they're worth it and just how they're holding up in general. Follow me on those if you're not already. Anyway, enough chitter chatter. Let's get into the tutorial. Let's get into the tutorial on how to do your own faux locks. Okay, so clearly I'm starting off with my hair already in little box braids, and I did them all myself. The back is probably not perfectly parted, but I really didn't care for it to be perfect or anything like that. So first off, of course, I washed out my hair and clarified it and deep conditioned it. And before I actually put my braids in, I did use a leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner I used is by Beautiful Curls, and it is this one right here. And as I was braiding my hair, I used the Shea Moisture Twist and Lock Gel. I'm gonna go ahead and get started probably on the back of my hair, and then I will be back to show you how to put them in yourself when I start getting to the front of my hair. So stay tuned. I still have 3 more braids to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I know I said I was gonna do the back of my head and I ended up doing pretty much all of it. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna get my little crochet hook with the latch, and I'm going to unlatch the hook. You can see that is unlatched. And what I'm gonna do is put the hook through underneath the root of my braid here. And you can see that the hook is underneath and it is unlatched, like I said. Now you're going to grab your crochet lock. Oop, let me balance this. So I'm going to open up the little loop at the top of the crochet lock. Put my finger through it like that, and I like to kind of hold it tight just so I can get the hook around. So once I have it around the hook, I'm gonna go ahead and close the latch and pull it through underneath. So now you see my hair is under the braid, and then from here you can either put your finger through the loop again, or you can latch the hook to the end of the lock, close the latch, and pull it through the loop. And then from there you can just pull it through with your hand. And tight at the root, just pull it tight. So now you have your braid and your lock. So at this point, you're gonna begin to wrap the lock around the braid. And it'll start looping around and just keep going. And as you can see, it's kind of locking around the braid. And then I like to push it up and twist in the direction that it spirals, and then continue looping around the braid like so. And at this point you can probably let go of your braid. Mine's already pretty much at the end, but I just keep looping just to be on the safe side, because once it actually, you let go, it untwists and the end of your braid is already in there. And then you see how it's a little lock. So here, what I've been doing is grabbing my Got To Be glued hairspray, and I've been spraying along the root, and then before it dries, I'm just kind of securing the twist a little bit, and that hairspray, hoping that hairspray keeps it in place. And I just kind of do it at the root, and then the rest of it, oops, wrong one. The rest of it I'll just go ahead and spray, just to kind of keep it a little bit more secure. And there we have it. So I'm going to do it again so you can see that one more time. Grab your crochet hook with the latch. Make sure the latch is down, and then you're going to put it underneath the braid, underneath and through. So you can see my braid is here and the latch, the hook and latch are underneath it. Balance the hook. And go ahead and grab another lock, starting at the top loop. Top loop. You're going to put your finger through, get it on the hook end, close the latch, and pull it through. And like I said, from here, I'll actually show you another way instead of looping it with the needle. So you can just open up the little loop on top here instead of using the hook and the latch to pull the hair through. Pull it through that loop, and then just pull the hair tight. Once again, you have your lock and your braid, and then you will just begin to go around your braid with the lock. And these specific locks, the way that they're spiraled, it makes it really easy to just go around the braid and get it inside of the lock. I was kind of iffy about these, but they ended up working out way better for this method, because not gonna lie, in the beginning when I started doing this, because I've never done this before, I spent a whole hour trying to figure out how to do this, and this way ended up working best for me. So I hope it's helpful to somebody else. So I'm pushing it up towards the root and twisting it as I push it up, and then just continue to wrap it around. It's pretty fast and easy. it is, disappeared. And just twist it to kind of secure it. And I'm sure you can tell, but these locks are not perfect, but it's perfectly fine with me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one off camera, and then I'm going to come back to show you one more little trick. Okay, I'm back. I finished that one little strand that I had left, and I promised I was going to show you guys a little trick or just something that I noticed while I was doing my hair, which could happen to you, or maybe you can prevent this from happening to you. As I got to the front of my hair, I got lazier when I was braiding my hair, and my parts got bigger. So I noticed that there's like just nothing crazy, but you know, there's like little gaps, I feel like, where I would like more hair to be. So I already started adding it around my hair, and like this side's not so bad. I already like added a couple more locks to it, but this side I could probably add like 2 or 3 more. I did already start adding a couple. So what I started doing was, like, let's say this piece here, I'll probably add another lock. So I'll go ahead and show you. I'll just add one over here. So I'm just gonna put the needle through the hair, not exactly under, probably more to the side. Don't you love how I balance this hook and needle? So I got my little crochet hair, and I'm going to hook it and latch it closed, pull it through, and then I'm going to pull the lock through. But clearly there is no braid to lock it around, so I'm just kind of twisting it at the top just to make it more like a lock, and setting it with the hairspray, and that's it. And that's kind of how I'm filling in any little gaps that I might see in my hair. Okay, so as you can see, not too crazy of a process. This definitely took less time than when I did my box braids. If you haven't seen that video, this was much easier, and the hair is super lightweight. Like, there is no weight at all. My head doesn't hurt, nothing like that. So in regards to that, I feel like these are great because I don't feel like they're bothering me at all. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions that I didn't already address in the video, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I will answer them all as soon as I can. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. It's so wrong where all the plans we made for two. Yeah.